Okay, good day. This is a Revolution FX Strategy speaking. And today we are taking on GBPUSD. As you can see, that we have got our trend line right there. So we expect the market to actually bounce from this trend line right here. This is our entry point, okay? We buy exactly at this candle right here, and we expect the market to actually push all the way to reject this trend line, and push all the way up, okay? But firstly, it will have to come, and as you can see, we have got a gap here. It will have to come and retest on this gap. And if it successfully breaches this gap right here, so we expect the market to go all the way up to this level right here, okay? So from there, if it successfully breaches this area, then it will be bullish all the way to this area right here, okay? So this one here, as you can see, it is trying to breach this trend line. But unfortunately, the trend line has already been tested in this area here. As you can see, we're starting from 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, and then here, that's going to be the 4th point. So definitely it is a very strong trend line. The market will not be able to breach it. Even if it does, it has to first of all retest before it can actually gather enough momentum to breach it, okay? So as you can see, it feels like it's going a little bit down, but do not be intimidated by that. It's trying. It might even spike below, but it will come and close above. And once it closes above, then it will go all the way up, okay? I know that we see there is a bearish candlesticks right here signaling a bearish move, but this area right here is very strong for the market to actually break it, okay? And now if we add a horizontal resistant line, as you can see here, that is our horizontal resistant line. So it turns this area here where the market is at right now to be a confluence zone. So this becomes a confluence zone, okay? And then in this case now, our stop loss here, we are going to put it a little bit below here. We don't want to put a lot of or lose a lot of pips in the process. So because we have got a strong setup, we don't expect the market to break this area coming all the way down. So this is going to be our stop loss right here. We don't expect the market to come all the way here. Okay, it will fail at that confluence zone right there. It has to fail, okay? So this right here is our danger zone. Okay, let me change the color to a little bit more red. Okay, as you can see, now this is a danger zone. Once the market enters into this area here, if it enters here, then we know that, okay, our strategy would have failed. If it enters and closes below this trend line. But it is highly unlikely because we have got this trend line here. We have got this resistance zone here. So you can see this one here. It is actually a resistance turned support because the market tried it here, and then tried it here, failed. And then also now it is trying it here. So we have got a lot of reasons why this market shouldn't sell. So hence we are taking a buy on it, okay? So now let's just wait for the market to do what it does. and see how this setup is going to turn up. Okay, so I will update you later. As you can see, we are actually at a floating loss. Okay, so let's wait and see what the market is going to do. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.